OBDSTAR G3 Update, Fiat Ducato and 500L ID4A IMMO Revolution with RH850 kit. Hey everyone, this is Hussain, and I welcome you back to Baabji Motors, your go-to garage for everything related to automobile diagnostics, programming tools, and the fascinating tech behind modern vehicles. Before we dive in, here's a quick but important note. This video is purely for educational and informational purposes. Everything we discuss here is meant to help technicians, learners, and enthusiasts understand the latest updates responsibly. We always follow fair use guidelines. The images, clips, and references used are solely for review and demonstration purposes. All trademarks belong to their respective owners. And remember, you should always follow manufacturer procedures and local laws when working with vehicles. Now, let's get straight into today's big update, OBDSTAR's latest October 2025 software release, which has taken the automotive diagnostic world by storm. Here's the question for you. How big of a difference do you think a single IMMO software update can make for multi-regional Fiat vehicles? Stick around till the end, because you'll discover not only the technical details, but also why this update could be a real game changer for locksmiths and workshops worldwide. So, OBDSTAR has just rolled out its new immobilizer software, and it's not just a small patch. It's a serious upgrade for multiple platforms, especially for Fiat. Let's start with the supported tools. This update is compatible with the X300 Classic G3, X300 Pro 4, X300 Mini Fiat, and X300 Mini Renault/Dacia. These are some of the most reliable devices for IMMO and key programming in the market, and this update just made them even more powerful. Now, diving deeper into the Fiat updates, we're looking at version V43.22J. This version introduces a manual select system for BSI pre-coding under the MARELLI MB91F528 platform. Essentially, this allows technicians to manually handle pre-coding, which was previously an automated or restricted function. The advantage? Greater control, flexibility, and precision when working on Fiat vehicles. But that's not all. OBDSTAR also added a blade key programming function that supports all keys loss situations. However, to enable this, you'll need the C4-09 adapter. This update supports a wide range of Fiat models across multiple regions, each equipped with the MARELLI MB91F528 ID4A BCM250X BCML7 system. Let's break that down a bit. This means the same core technology now works seamlessly across different Fiat vehicles from different continents. For example, technicians can now program blade keys for the Fiat Ducato 2020 model, whether it's from Africa, Asia, Australia, Europe, or South America. And not just Ducato. The Fiat 500L, ARGO, and CRONOS models from 2017 all the way up to 2023 are covered too. This global support ensures that workshops don't have to juggle between different configurations or region-specific tools anymore. The update unifies the process, saving time and improving reliability. Software optimization is another crucial part of this release. OBDSTAR has fine-tuned the system for faster response, smoother communication with the BCM, and better stability during pre-coding and IMMO operations. Anyone who's spent hours troubleshooting a key programming process knows how much this matters. It's all about efficiency and consistency. Moving beyond Fiat, this update also covers other major brands. GLY has received version V40.05, which adds proximity key programming for models like the B01, C11, B10, and C10. And yes, it supports all keys loss situations as well. ROEWE also got an upgrade with version 42.23, adding proximity key programming for the RX5 plus 2023 and beyond. And like the Fiat update, it includes software optimizations that make the operation more stable and user-friendly. Next up, Toyota. The new version 43.20 update introduces proximity key programming for the Toyota USA Canada 823 series. This means better coverage and smoother operation for North American Toyota users, especially in handling proximity systems. Renault users aren't left behind either. Version 41.84 adds Blade key programming for the Renault Kangoo from 2019 to 2021 and the Renault Master PH4 from 2017 to 2023. These models have been particularly tricky in the past, and OBDSTAR's new solution promises faster recognition and fewer interruptions during key learning. Then comes Enovate, a new player in the EV and hybrid world. The latest version, V40.06, marks the first release for Enovate's ME5, introducing proximity key programming right out of the gate. This is a clear signal that OBDSTAR is stepping into next-generation vehicle technologies early, ensuring users are ready for the electric future. BMW fans will be pleased too. Version 40.57 adds support for the BDC2 IMMO system across F and G series chassis, though it requires the P005 adapter. This is a significant step forward for high-end European vehicles where key programming and immobilizer access are heavily encrypted. The update also brings improvements for Changan and Hongqi. The Changan LCVV 919 now supports proximity key programming under version 41.21, with noticeable software optimization. Meanwhile, Hongqi, under version 40.76, gets proximity key programming for the LS_GB72, supporting all keys loss conditions. So, if you're an automotive technician, a locksmith, or a diagnostic enthusiast, this update opens doors to a wider range of vehicles and reduces downtime on the job. The inclusion of ID4A IMMO systems and RH850 kits across Fiat platform signals that OBDSTAR is focusing heavily on modern, secure architectures that align with current OEM trends. And here's what makes this release so exciting. It's not just about compatibility, it's about empowerment. The update ensures that users can handle immobilizer functions with greater independence, fewer tool limitations, and faster results. Whether you're dealing with a European Fiat 500L, a South American ARGO, or a North American 500L, the workflow is now unified, which means more efficiency and fewer headaches. Now, to wrap things up, remember that question from the beginning? How big a difference can a single IMMO software update make? Well, the answer is clear. This OBDSTAR G3 update doesn't just improve functionality. It reshapes how technicians approach immobilizer work. It bridges gaps between regions, vehicles, and systems, making multi-brand diagnostics more seamless than ever. From my perspective, this is one of the most meaningful updates of the year. It shows that OBDSTAR is listening to its users, focusing on reliability, compatibility, and future readiness. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Which brand update impressed you the most? Fiat, BMW, or maybe the new Enovate release? Before you go, here's a quick fun fact. Did you know that Fiat's MARELLI MB91F528 platform shares microcontroller architecture roots with systems used in some hybrid models? That's how versatile these chips are across automotive technologies. So, if you found this breakdown helpful, here's our community challenge. Let's hit 10,000 likes and 1,000 comments to hype this update and get it trending in the automotive tech world. Drop your feedback, questions, or experiences in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dive updates like this. Your support keeps Baabji Motors growing stronger every day. Until next time, keep learning, keep exploring, and, as always, happy diagnosing.